Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by creating a safe copy, then place a section break at the spot where numbering must begin. Once done, open the header or footer, double-click it, and use page number format to choose numbering style. Make sure to uncheck Link to Previous so sections use independent headers. You do this first because Word applies numbers per section. Set numbering to start at 1 or continue, depending on your layout, and confirm the preview. Next, focus on formatting. Open page number format and pick Roman, Arabic, or custom numbering. Set Start at 1 if the new section should begin anew. If the first page should show no number, enable different first page in header and footer tools. Once done, verify each section's link to previous is off, because continued links override local starts. If numbers remain wrong, remove page numbers and reinsert them in the affected section to reset Word's numbering. To finish, scan every section, close headers and footers and scroll through to ensure page numbers follow your plan. If a number is incorrect, reopen that section and toggle Link to Previous, then set Start at the correct value. Once done, press Ctrl plus and F9 to update all fields so numbers refresh. If problems persist, export or copy the clean content into a new document. This often clears corrupt formatting. Remember, verify section breaks visually. Misplaced breaks are the usual culprit.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.